Hello everybody, welcome to another one of my videos. Today I'm going to be making for you roast chicken soup. Like with all these winter months coming up and we've had this early snow, we're going to just make this one very quick, and it's very quick and fast and easy to make. So I'm just in this, I've got some roast chicken which was already roasted, just the carcass what's left. Just boil that out. So I'm just going to put some heat back onto it. I'm going to show you the rest of our ingredients, what we're going to be using today. We've got some chopped onions, some scallions and red pepper and thyme. We've got some chopped pumpkins, some chow, a stock cube, some sweet potatoes, a cocoa, a green banana, and I've got some dumpling mix what I've already mixed, which is just flour and water, and we've got a cock soup what I'm going to be adding to it. So into this water now, I'm going to be adding the onions. Then I'm going to be adding this bunch of thyme, and my scallions and my red pepper. And into that now I'm going to just slice up my chow. I've just prepared everything as usual, because just to make the videos not run too long. Right, we're going to add in the rest of our ingredients now, which I've just chopped up some of the cocoa, so I'm going to add that to it. And I'm going to add the pumpkin. And I'm going to chop up our sweet potato and add to it now. So this one is really quick and simple to make. And you know, instead of just throwing away your Sunday roast, just try this one. I'm sure you're going to enjoy it. And if you like our videos, please like, share and subscribe. And tell your friends to tell their friends about this channel, so we can get to our 1,000, which is what we're trying to achieve at the moment. Then we can come to you live, and then you can join us in what we're doing. I'm just here chopping up this sweet potato. Which is me in the background. So I'm just putting in the sweet potato. Just going to give this a quick stir, so you can see it's a nice hearty soup. So this is a green plantain what I'm just peeling now. So with this soup, if you want, you can just chop up your things fine and just put everything in at once. You don't have to put them in stages, because it's just gonna, you're just gonna leave it for a while so it simmer down. So this is just some green plantain, just slicing it up and putting it in. Now we're going to put in our stock. We're just going to give this another quick thing to dissolve out the stock. Now we're just going to put a handful of pasta noodles in. You can use whatever noodles you got nearby. This one was just nearby, so I'm just using these are spirals. Also, if you want to add like mixed veg or carrots or anything else to this, you can always add it, but I haven't added any to this. I didn't feel like carrots or anything in there this time. So now we're ready to pre-mix my flour. So I'm just gonna put these in as well. So you just break off a bit, just roll them and just drop them in. So as you can see, everything's just nice and quick and fast. You can just take your time with it. You should be alright. So we've got all our ingredients in now, so just going to give this another quick stir. You can see everything just nice and mixed in. The rest of our flour, we'll just put that in there. That just helps to thicken it a bit. Then we're going to put our packet of, we're using a cock flavour soup this time, so we're just going to sprinkle that in. I'm only using one packet in this time. Just stir that in. You can see it's added colour to it already, so you're going to have a nice pot of soup. So as you can see, it's a nice consistency, nice colour. Everything's coming together. You can see it, everything's nice. And we're just going to leave that on the fire for about half an hour or so until when it's ready. So when it's ready, I'll plate up a bowl of it and then show you what it looks like. Right everybody, here's a finished product of our roast chicken soup. There you can see it's nice and earthy and healthy. If you like our videos, remember to like, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend, and we'll see you on the next one.